Hi, I'm Rob Steinke and I welcome you to my Harness Makers Workshop. Show season, it's almost upon us, just started, and some of us would have left things to the last minute. Well, we all do that a bit at times, don't we? With saddlery, any good saddler, harness maker will have a waiting list now for work to be made, special work. So what I've got here is a selection of items that I've got that are ready to be popped in the post and winging its way to you. What I'm doing is I'm not giving you the prices and all the individual details. Now, if you like to give me an email, or you can phone if you like, I'm going to type out a list of everything this weekend with the prices. All prices will include carriage to Ireland, Britain and Europe. So I'll run through some of the things I've got just to give you a flavour. Let's start with one of my favourite things, spares cases. Whoops, that wasn't meant to happen, that, but anyway. Oh, that was a spare one. It didn't come out of the case. Yeah, live videos. It's got all the things, candles and splices, a knife, spare nails. Not that anyone puts the shoes back on, but that's traditional. So there's a brown one. I also have a black one. That just needs the hole punch put into it, but that's actually a bit bigger than the brown one. I'll show you the two there now together, if it can match up. 1 and 2, just a bit different. The black one, I've also got matching number holder for the showroom that strap onto your vehicle, and it's easy, this one, because you just slide it in from the back. You haven't got to undo the straps, so it's a nice easy one to use. Now, any of you showing Welsh cobs, I've got a completely hand stitched stallion tack here. There's the bridle for it. I won't split it. It's the whole lot. It's got rolled side reins. There'll be other pictures on this video when I've finished chatting to you. I'm warbling on here about everything. There'll be pictures of items that are available in stock. Not, oh well, it'll be a week, 2 weeks, and that goes into months, and by then it's, you know, the show pony championships have come and gone and we're looking at Christmas. Now there's a nice little show slip, different, they're all studs like you get on a brow band at times. There's a black one, I'm looking up. There's 2 black and a brown one hanging up there. Let's go back to driving. There's a couple of whip holders. I do painted ones. I've just sold the last of the painted ones. But maybe if you push me, one would just be ready for the show season, okay? So, but these are here. Then we've got quite a bit of colour. Oh, while we're on the private drive, there is just the inch ones have gone, but can be done fairly quick. But there's breeching straps, and you've got the double thickness where it goes on the breeching and the straps round. They're nice little 3/4 ones for a pony turnout. Then what else we got? We got some padded hand parts to the reins. You'll see these all tan, 5/8 wide, lovely for a pony, and it feels great in the hand. You can see the padding, and it's nylon web in the middle, so it's good and strong. So we got that. We've got an ordinary plain pair of reins, 5/8, and then we've got the lead reins. Oh, getting the sort them. I don't think there's 2 the same here. There's like a nice dark tan with a whole swage buckle. with the loop. For the hand, you've got one with the coupling chain. Goes each side onto the bit. Then you've got one with a stallion chain. That's nickel and black. And then for nice petite little ponies, little 1/2 inch one. It's 1/2 inch wide with brass buckle. And years ago, I made myself a pair of riding reins and laced the reins for riding. So most people, on a lead rein, would hold the grip of the handle and then you hold up by the close to the head. Well, I've just put that little bit of lacing on there. So you've got a good grip, especially if it's a bit wet, with an animal might be playing up. Now this is a light brown with the contrasting dark brown. You can see it better there. The back. You've got contrasting lacing. I will be trying different colours. Black ones with red to match my shirt. Red going through and yellow for trade sets as well, for those showing in hand. So what have we got now? We've got some kidney beaters. Now I designed these kidney beaters so that they would fit any type of harness and can match up, because there's no buckles on them, which means if you've got horseshoe buckles or West End buckles or crown buckles, all of these will fit in with the design of your harness. Then I've got some others that I'll come up closer with these. There is a set of 3 with blue with the stag head, yellow with the revolving sun, so popular with Giddens of London many years ago, and red. All of these, there aren't buckles. I do them with buckles, but these particular ones can go onto any set, as I say, whether they've got brass or nickel or whatever buckles. It's not going to clash, because if you've got mixed buckles, it looks a little bit odd. So then I've got some odd things for trade harness, buckle guards to go on your belly band for your tug buckles to buckle onto. It just gives that little bit of colour onto the harness. And any of you that are using Tilbury tugs and want the guard to go behind it to protect it on from the mark in the pad, these go on to Tilbury tugs. There's different widths here. And while we're also on colours, if you've got a trade set, these are cheek guards. Yeah, it really does match my shirt, doesn't it? The red and black. So there's the black with the red cutouts and the all red. I do other colours, but they're just the ones that are actually in stock now. Or if you've just got a private drive set in black and want not to add colour but just to protect, here's some all black ones. They're patent leather, so if you've got nice patent winkers on the bridle, they'll fit on nicely. So that gives you an idea of some of the things that I have in the workshop ready to be packed up and taken down to the post office. So all, what should we say, postage, that's the word I was looking for. All postage is included in the prices. So either you can give me a ring, you can give me an email, or you can give me a text, because the phone number's on the list at the bottom of my YouTube listing. So have a look at the bottom of the YouTube listing and you can easily see where I am. Live in Ireland, but I post worldwide. So if I can be of help to you and that, please do give me a ring or, make contact and we'll see what we can do. Okay, so now I'll show you some of the pictures of the items, maybe even some of them that are being made. I'll look through my picture collection when I get home. Okay, so until I see you again, cheerio and thank you for viewing. Bye.